Hello everyone, welcome to Nano Academy PCM, and here we are asked to find force acting on the bead throughout the motion where the force is changing its direction from 0 to pi by 2, and this question is from Fitji review test of J Advanced. First of everyone, read the question. A collar of mass AM is to be moved along a long fixed rough straight vertical rod by applying a force F which is constant in magnitude and whose direction is continuously changing such that theta is increased from 0 to 90. Means first force is acting like this and here force is acting like this. So let's find force acting throughout its motion. So we will have simple free body diagram like this. This is basically a question. This is basically the question, and this is a free body diagram of it. Here the coefficient of friction is mu. So here a normal force is acting as F sine theta. So downward friction force will be acting as mu F of sine theta. So this question can be solved only by conserving the force, like F cos theta will be equal to mg plus mu F of sine theta, and simply integrate the value from 0 to pi by 2 both sides. Here we will add d theta and here we will also add d theta, and this will simply be F sine theta from 0 to pi by 2, and this will be mg of theta plus minus of mu F cos theta from 0 to pi by 2, from 0 to pi by 2, and this will be F is equal to, this will be mg pi by 2, and this will be minus mu F into 0 minus of mu F into 1, and this will be simply at mg pi by 2 minus and mu F. Okay, so transfer this from here and it will be like 1 minus mu is equal to mg pi by 2, and F we will get mg pi by 2 1 minus mu. So looking at the option A is correct. So let's check the option. Yeah, and option A is correct. So thank you for watching, and do follow Nano Academy PCM for more such content. Thank you.